finally, Donald Trump has bombed Nigeria. Everybody, Donald Trump has bombed Nigeria. Finally, because people are saying, yeah, Donald Trump is not going to be able to come. He won't come to Nigeria. He's just blabbing, Now, can we see now, finally, that he has come? Baba Adebayo has said this, that Donald Trump bombed Nigeria. But people are thinking it's going to be bombing sporadically. No. America, before they make their move, they've checked a lot of places. Their surveillance must have been working months by months for Donald Trump to have come out. Just know that they've done their own assignments. And now we can see the result of the assignments now. Bombing everywhere. Where the ISIS are. They won't be mistakenly and be bombing people. They know exactly where they're going to. There's a video that I need to bring. They kidnapped an American in Niger, brought to Nigeria. Donald Trump came to Nigeria, rescued that the American they kidnapped, and take it back to America without alarming Nigerian government or whatever. They just went to the terrorist street, killed them, and took their man and went back. Now you can see that no hiding places again. If you can see recently now, just wait, listen to what Gumi is saying. Gumi is saying we must live with them. We must roll with them. What kind of a country is this? Now, if Donald Trump make their move, people are complaining Donald Trump is making move. Why is Tinubu not making the move? Why is the Nigerian army not making the move? Why is it taking outsider to come and control our own house before anything can be done? They bomb churches, they bomb mosques, they bomb everything. What's it called? Gomi have said it. He said whenever he's going to these people to negotiate or to talk to them, the government escorts him. The army and the police and the air force, they knew about it. So who is now playing who? If you guys can know where all these people are, and you can say that openly on the TV, national TV, that everybody's hearing you, that when you go in there, so when you know where they are, so why is the Nigerian army not acting? Donald Trump is not stupid to come to Nigeria to come and act. He knows that these people, they are working with Nigerian government. And Nigerian government is not going to do anything. They know all they have been doing to us ever since they have been talking stories and keeping us in the pain. And you can see live in this video is some helicopters that is supplying these people. While Gome will be telling us openly that we have to live with them. Hold on, let me play that video.
They are part of us and we are part of them. We must live with them. You can't drive them away, and they can't drive us away. They are our neighbors, so we should never allow them to be our enemies.
Yeah, we must live with them.
And if my enemy states,
who are these people? Are they been they've come to take your own son or take your own daughter, maltreat them, kill them, take millions from you? I don't think you'll be talking like this. So what's Nigerian government doing not arresting Gumi? If you can have somebody like Gumi in the society, inciting violence, supporting terrorists, backing them up, and nobody is able to confront him. The same guy that went to Saudi Arabia held him. Now he got to Nigeria, he's a king. This is why we're going through what we're going through in Nigeria, nothing more. Because some people are involved in this thing openly. And Donald Trump knows that. Once Donald Trump decides to land here, my people, while I go boss to serious, while I go boss, a lot of people will be exposed that is contributing to this mayhem that is going on in the country. So when are we going to have a way out? It's only outsider that can come and do the heat. We that we are inside can come and do the heat. Recently, we see one of the communication managers saying that, is it minister or whatever? He's now saying we have been deactivating account of the terrorists, of the bandits. Excuse me, sir. You mean you're deactivating account and arresting the people, or just deactivating account and leaving those people? So you are still those people that is causing the pain. You are still leaving them in the society, but you can only deactivate their account. But if it's one Yahoo boy you want to arrest, you arrest the Yahoo boy plus his laptop plus him himself plus his car plus his house. So who is deceiving who? We pray, oh, God should just come to Nigeria, because Donald Trump and Nigeria government have teamed up together now. If you like, you hide in a bush, you'll be fished out. Hiding anywhere, you'll be bombed away. And those people supporting it, I know they will start to arrest some big men in Nigeria now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. See you next time.
Mo pa ní àṣẹ gbogbo ọ̀dájú ogun tó sọ pé òrì rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ iná Ọlọ́run máa jó wọn dànù. Olúwa rán mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi. Ó pẹ́ tí Hánà ti lọ sí Ṣílò, ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ kan á dá Hánà lóhùn. Ogun wo lẹ́yìn náà ńlá kọjá tó dàbí pé tí ń gbàdúrà tí ò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ṣé ní ìlú tẹ́ wà ní òkè òkun, ṣé ní Nàìjíríà ni, ṣé lórí iṣẹ́ ni, lórí ọmọ ni, ohun gbogbo lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, ohun gbogbo tẹ́ ńlá kọjá tó dàbí ogun. Ẹ jẹ́ a jọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ a jọ wá ojú Olúwa. Kò sí tọ́lọ́run ò lè ṣe. Àbí tí yóò bá ti pàdé wòlíì tiẹ̀, òun ló máa dàbí pé kò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Olúwa ló rán mi sí ọ wípé àkókò yín ti tó. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí láti jọ gbàdúrà papọ̀ kájọ wá ojú Olúwa, kájọ mú àṣírí ogun eléyìí tó ń jà yín. Òun náà ni +234 7025 47 5427 lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí +234 7025 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù, ẹ̀yin náà máa rí ìyanu tiyín.